Welcome to Guilio's bar. Today, we're gonna make a motherfucking mojito. So, everybody talks about this, then mojito here, mojito there. I hate mojito. Mojito is the national, maybe, drink of Cuba. It's done with mint, sugar, and white rum. And I fucking hate it. But then guess what? It's summer. So everybody's like, why don't you make a mojito video? Mojito video, nye, 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 nye. Fuck you and your stupid mojito. It gets all these greasy leaves into your mouth and it just tastes like grass. So what I did, well, I got the best mint I could get. Okay. And we're gonna get this drink a fair chance. But I'm like, if I hate mojito, how can I give it a fair chance? It will be like a priest telling me what to do in bed. What the fuck? If you don't play the game, don't tell the rules, man. But then my wife was like, what? Do you think you can stay here drinking drinks all day and not making any revenue and getting wasted? I'm like, fuck, yeah, I guess. Let's make a video that's gonna become extremely popular and it's gonna bring me a lot of money. I'm gonna be super rich and I'm gonna have a Lambo and fuck you. Anyway, let's make this bad motherfucker of a drink. I saw a video on YouTube that said it was the best mojito video. So I'm gonna do what the best mojito video said. Almost. I'm gonna change something. Because I'm Guilio. And Guilio changes things. Because he doesn't believe in shit. Okay? Why are the people that don't believe in shit? I'm a nihilist. That's who I am. Anyway, let's start with 6 leaves of fresh mint. And I went to get the good shit. This really nice friend brought a full tree. So I just picked this up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Let's add a small one. 6 leaves of fresh mint into our Collins glass. Collins from Tom Collins, a drink that's way better than stupid mojito. But anyway, then I'm gonna put some sugar and I'm gonna do my signature of never quite a spoonful, a bit less than a spoonful of cocktail from Japan and the same amount of plain granulated white sugar. And then I'm gonna spend a long time twisting them like this to extract the best of the mint essential oil, but without smashing the leaves. And of course by now you will have realized that I completely forgot about one of the most important things about this mojito cocktail, which is lime juice. Well, I'm gonna get it. Okay, I stirred until I muddled. The thing is, you don't really have to muddle. You just wanna make a bit of a mix. And now let's add lime juice. Let's put half of a motherfucking lime in this drink. It should be about right. And that, let's stir some more for the pleasure of the mojito people that like to drink stupid mojito. I mean, if you're not on a beach, if you're not in Cuba, don't drink a mojito. Okay, let's do it. Doing like this, the sugar melted nicely. But now for the hardest part, crushed ice. I don't have crushed ice, so let's try to make crushed ice. Let's get our mixer, or mini pimer as we call it in Italy. Let's get some ice. Who fucking drinks a drink that has crushed ice in it? Fuck you. We made some stupid progress. Great. So now alcohol. 45 milliliters of white rum. We use this plantation, which is not bad at all. Again, to give this stupid cocktail a fair chance. Then we give it a bit of a stir. Ice wasn't quite enough. A couple more cubes. And let's finish with a straw, because Mojito, I guess people that drink Mojito are still in kindergarten and we still need a straw. And just right before we drink it, let's beat the shit out of some mint leaves and add it as a garnish. Cheers. Not bad. What? I'm back. Oh no, it's Giulio. What? Giulio, Guilio, my evil alter ego. Go away! I will kill you with my absinthe. He hates absinthe. It smells good though. Oh. And what? Mojito? Are you kidding me, Guilio? Oh, damn. Stupid Mojito. I hate Mojito. Do I? It's okay, I guess. But do you think can we improve on the Mojito? I think so. Let's shake in it. Cocktail glass. Let's chill it. Let's put on my side. Guilio's. Let's put on my side also this disaster in ice making. Let's clean up a bit and let's start building our cocktail. We're just gonna do exactly the same ingredients. Let's start with the bigger part of our Boston shaker and let's do exactly the same. 6 leaves of good mint, maybe 5. Let's add the sugar, same amount, not quite a spoonful, cause
I'm trying to watch my figure.
And now instead of stirring with a spoon, let's use ice. And just with ice, mint and sugar, let's give it a bit of a round shake to extract the olive oils, to extract the essential oils, not the olive oil. Okay. Now let's keep the ice and the rest of the stuff here in the smaller part of our Boston shaker. Let's put lime and rum. Not gonna measure it. It should be about 30 milliliters. Rum, same amount, 45 milliliters. And now let's give it a good shake. Ooh. 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 Nice and cold. Too cold. Whew. Let's take our chilled glass and let's double stir our drink so that we don't get any of those annoying pieces of mint. Let's slap some mint. And there you go. Let's try if it's an improvement. Cheers. I guess they serve different purposes, Giulio. Again, on your ideal Cuban beach, this will be better because the ice will melt, it will be lighter, and you can take your time just sipping through the ice water with the stupid straw. But this one tastes better. Yes. This is the way to go if you're not on a beach, if you're not in Cuba. The shaken mojito. Do you see it's pretty easy to drink? But can we do even better? Let's try upgrading the rum. Is it gonna be better? I don't know, but let's give it a try. So, exactly the same ingredients. Instead of plantation 3 stars, we go with this Navy Island Jamaica, all pot still. Again, pot still distillation is a distillation that leaves more flavor, and especially they call this Navy strain. It's 57% ABV, so pretty strong stuff. let's give it a go. 6 leaves of mint and the sugar. Same amount. Round shake, smooth shake, wavy shake, extract all those essential oils. Rum, 57% ABV, and let's give it a fair shake. Ooh, chilly. Ooh, really chilly. This stuff is cold. It's cold, man. Game over, man. No, it's not game over. Hostia. Game over! Double strain. Bit darker color. Let's slap some mint. There you go. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is a bad boy. This is really good. I mean, this one is so easy to drink. It might be the first time I finish a drink on camera. Not bad. This one, stupid straw. This one became water by now, which again is good if you're on a beach. But this one, with all the caramel of this nice rum, pot still, nice. Changing the rum is gonna change everything. I mean, this is a pretty decent rum. This is a better rum. If you use even better rum, your mojito is gonna taste even better, especially if you shaken it and you get rid of a stupid presentation with a crushed ice, fucking straw. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Okay.